This is a 2003 Toyota RAV4. I've taken some of the engine apart. I'm going to clean the throttle body. Also the idle air control valve that's on the other side of it. And then while I have it apart, I'm also going to do the mass airflow clean this up. Triple whammy. There's part of the idle air control. Just going to use carburetor cleaner. Spray it off, clean it all up, and put it back together. It had a little bit of a rough idle. It has about 140,000 miles, so it's due. Hopefully that will take care of the idle problem.